Hey friends, welcome back to Quiz Eagle. Get ready for another fun emoji challenge. Today's challenge is Guess the Word by Emoji, where every emoji combination hides a secret word waiting for you to solve. You'll face 25 exciting emoji puzzles designed to test your brain and observation skills. You'll have only 10 seconds to guess each word before the timer runs out. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Quiz Eagle. Alright, Quiz Masters, let the emoji challenge begin. Let's start with a tasty one. Can you guess the word from these emojis? Delicious start. That's a hot dog. Sports fans should know this one. What's your answer? Nothing but net. That's basketball. Think like a cowboy. Can you solve this emoji puzzle? You got it, cowboy. Yeehaw! This sweet treat should look familiar. What is it? My favorite, ice cream. Anytime, anywhere. Technology challenge. Can you guess the hidden word? Exactly. Bluetooth, connecting the fun. These emojis create a warm and cozy drink. What is it? Hot chocolate, cozy and yummy. Look closely. Which popular app do these emojis represent? It's FaceTime, calling all friends. Cold, fast and exciting. Can you guess this sport? Ice hockey, the ultimate thrill on ice. A flying creature is hiding in the emojis. What is it? Bingo! It's dragonfly zooming by. Colorful and beautiful. What word do these emojis reveal? Perfect. Rainbow, full of colors and magic. Light up your brain. Can you guess this object? A flashlight. Exactly right. Shining bright. Beach lovers should get this one. What's the word? It's a sand castle. Beach vibes unlocked. One of the most famous platforms in the world. Can you name it? YouTube. Hope you enjoy it too. A sweet little fruit is hiding here. What is it? Correct, blueberry, sweet and juicy. These emojis point to a popular social media app. Can you guess it? The word is TikTok. Dance it out. Movie snack time. What word do these emojis make? Popcorn. You nailed it. Movie time ready. Ready for launch. What's the hidden word? It's a rocket blasting off. This sea creature is swimming through the puzzle. What is it? Seahorse swimming gracefully. Summer vibes incoming. Can you guess the word? Swimsuit, beach ready, summer vibes. Sports challenge. What game do these emojis represent? Nailed it. Golf. Perfect swing. This brave profession is hiding in the clues. What is it? Fireman. Amazing guess. You're on fire. Nature at its finest. Can you name this beautiful sight? Waterfall, a stunning choice, nature's wonder. Gamers should recognize this one instantly. What's the word? Amazing. It's Squid Game, thrilling and fun. Ahoy there. Can you guess this adventurous word? Correct. Pirate. Our matey. Final challenge. This beautiful insect is hidden in the emojis. Can you guess it? Fantastic finish. The answer is butterfly. Alright quiz masters, that's the end of today's challenge. How many did you get right out of 25? Let me know your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Eagle for more fun and brain boosting challenges. See you in the next video.